Lisa spent 6 months building 9 different digital products and made less than $300. Then I gave her one special AI prompt. I call it the Product Goldmine Prompt. And 30 days later, she made $12,000. In a minute, I will be sharing that exact prompt. I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree, the platform that lets you sell digital products and grow your audience without needing a website or complicated tech. Over the past 3 years, we've helped creators generate millions in sales. What I'm about to share is the exact selection process that separates products that flop from products that soar. Most creators pick products based on gut feeling or passion. The winners pick products based on psychological triggers. Here's the brutal truth. Most creators spend months building products that sell 3 copies, not because they're bad products, but because they solve problems people won't pay to fix. But this AI prompt eliminates all guesswork by focusing on problems people are already spending money to solve. After analyzing over 1,000 product launches, I discovered every profitable product hits at least one of these 6 specific psychological triggers. These aren't marketing theories. They're hardwired into our human buying behavior. So let me break them down for you. Products that make you money, save you time, move you toward happiness, move you away from pain, and raise your social status. Now, here's the secret the top 1% know. While all 6 triggers work, 2 of them consistently outperform the others by 400%. The make somebody money or save somebody money triggers are absolute gold mines. Why? Because they solve expensive problems. Someone might pay, say, $47 for a time management guide. They'll pay $497 for something that saves them $5,000 on taxes. That's why Sarah's tax saving guide at $297 outsells cute planners at $27. Same effort, different trigger, and a massive profit difference. Products that hit multiple triggers, especially the 2 big ones, those are the ones generating $50,000, $100,000, even $500,000 a year. And that's why I built this Product Goldmine Prompt around all 6 triggers with special emphasis on the money-making ones. Let me show you how easy this prompt is to use. I'm going to use someone who has expertise in affiliate marketing. Okay, here we go. Open ChatGPT. Copy and paste this in. You are a digital product strategist who helps creators find profitable niches. I need 20 digital product ideas for your area of expertise. So in this case, affiliate marketing. For each idea, include the specific problem it solves, the target customer, the suggested price point, let's say somewhere between $27 and $497, which purchasing trigger it hits, and we're gonna go through the make money, save time, move toward happiness, move away from pain, raise social status, why people would pay for this right now, and a 1-sentence marketing hook. Now include ideas for all 6 triggers. However, prioritize the make money and save money ideas since these consistently command the highest prices and conversion rates. Focus on problems that cause daily frustration or cost people significant money and time. Avoid oversaturated markets like general fitness or basic budgeting. And look at these results. Notice the price point. $97 for a template. Compare that to generic templates selling for $12. Here's what makes this revolutionary. Instead of creating products and hoping they sell, you're selecting from products guaranteed to have buyers. Traditional product research takes weeks, costs thousands. So this takes 10 minutes and eliminates 99% of the risk. Once you've selected your product, MiloTree then makes launching and selling effortless. Right now, I'm in my own MiloTree dashboard. Here, I add my product name, my price, and a short description. I save it. Then I click the button that says Create Sales Page, and our AI writes your optimized sales page to emphasize the problem you address and how your product is the obvious solution. Every sales page then comes with a link for you to share it everywhere. So put it on your blog or website, in your emails, on social media, in your communities, in DMs. With MiloTree, you can be selling within hours and, wait for it, for free, because we offer a free forever plan. In our free plan, you can sell a product, offer a freebie, and install a social media pop-up on your website to grow your followers. And when I tell people what we offer for free, they honestly don't believe me. Some successes I've seen using my Product Goldmine Prompt, Tom's AI guide for lawyers. He's made $7,000 this year. Rachel's meal prep system, $18,000. David's investment course, $81,000. And they all started with this prompt. The average creator who uses this selection process makes their first $1,000 typically within 90 days versus 18 months for random product picking. Here's what I'd like you to do right now. First, download my Product Goldmine Prompt. So the link is below. Second, sign up for MiloTree's free plan where you can sell a product for free and test your product tonight. No credit card, no risk, just results. So again, the link for MiloTree is below. Third, use this prompt tonight before you go to sleep. Please don't wait. I want you to get inspired. This way, you stop wasting time on products that might sell and start with products guaranteed to sell. And next week, I'm revealing why your personality is your secret weapon against AI. I'll show you how to develop your unique vibe that makes customers choose you over everyone else. Plus, I'm sharing secret sales strategies I see working right now. And yes, I'll be offering another simple to use AI prompt that discovers your authentic selling style. So subscribe now so you don't miss an episode on how to build your digital product empire and start living the life you want.